All India Today brings you the plight of a family in distress over their son who has been arrested in Iran for the last 2 years. A helpless woman has knocked on all doors to secure the release of their child, and now they have made a plea to External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj for help. Here's an exclusive report.
A heart-wrenching story of a family from Paschim Vihar in Delhi. A helpless mother and her daughter, desperate to have their son back home. Sushil joined a shipping firm in Dubai around October 2013. All was well till his ship was apprehended by Iran on charges of smuggling oil. And despite the Iranian government granting him pardon and the family running from pillar to post to secure their son's release, their pleas have gone unanswered.
सरकार से हमें आश्वासन के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं मिला अभी तक। हम पिछले 2 साल से लगातार कम्युनिकेशन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
सुशील और उसके साथियों पर जो आरोप था उसकी सजा वो भुगत चुके हैं, लेकिन रिहाई नहीं हुई और इसलिए एक मां अब अपनी ममता की दुहाई देकर विदेश मंत्री से मानवीयता के आधार पर मदद की गुहार लगा रही है।
सुषमा जी के पास हम गए उदित राज जी के थ्रू, तो उन्होंने भी हमारे को बस यही जवाब दिया, मिला कोई भी नहीं हमें, तो उन्होंने यही कहा कि हम कर रहे हैं उनसे कम्युनिकेट हम।
Adding to the misery of this family was the death of Sushil's father recently. And against tradition, Sushil's sister lit the funeral pyre. And she is now desperately hoping to have her brother home for this year's Raksha Bandhan.
प्लीज़ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि उनको प्लीज़ वापस ट्राई करें कि वो आ जाए।
Sushil had gone abroad in search of a better future. But now his family, whose interest was paramount to Sushil, is struggling to have him back. Now the family has rested their hopes on External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj. Will Sushma Swaraj look into the matter and ensure that this family in despair gets their son back? With Kapil Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.
I want to cut across directly to my colleague Jugal Purohit, who's tracking details of that story. He's joining us live. Jugal, can you give us the details of this story, and is there any reaction at all on how the Ministry of External Affairs is going to follow through?
Well, Preeti, the entire affair started when he had to go out in the year 2013, July of 2013 to be precise, to Dubai for work, and after that in October 2013 there was absolutely no news till the time in October the family came to know that on account of an accident is the reason why he was in Iran, and from there on for the last nearly 2 years it's been a tough struggle for the family, trying to get some understanding from the previous government, from this government, from different ministers, different bureaucrats, but there has been simply no forward movement. And well, insofar as the MEA itself is concerned, we are awaiting a reaction from the Ministry of External Affairs. We've already asked them as to just what is the cause behind the inordinate delay and the reason why he's not been able to come back, and we are awaiting that reaction, for which we will of course update our viewers as and when it comes in.
You know, Jugal, we're going to keep coming to you for more on that story. With that, we're going to shift focus. India Today now brings you the plight of a family in distress over their son who has been under arrest in Iran for the last 2 years. A helpless family has knocked on all doors to secure the release of their child, and now they have made a plea to the External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj for help. We played that exclusive. We're going to get you more details.